Yo, what is good people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back for another unboxing. This time, it's the first time ever we have the Motorola, imagine a Motorola Edge 20 Pro. This is what we're working with right here. And big shout out to Vodafone UK for supplying this for loan and review. Really appreciate them. But we'll get more into detail. But yeah, this is the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Let's get to unboxing it. So yeah, as stated before, man, a big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. As always, man, they always come through clutch, and they've brought this in, really appreciate it. And we are gonna be unboxing and testing it. I'll definitely say check the links in the description below for all the latest deals on a Motorola Edge 20 Pro on Vodafone UK. Go show them some love, as they always support the channel with these review units, which always come in clutch. But yeah, let's get unboxing it. This is the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. I actually don't know much about this phone, but it is a recent release. It is a recent release, and I'm guessing this is their flagship device for 2021, as assumed by the Pro name. Yeah, 5G ready. We have 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, probably non-expandable. And it is a dual SIM, proper dual SIM, I hope. We'll check that. And it comes in what is known as midnight blue. Okay, interesting. All right, let's go unboxing it. Do love unboxings, you know me. Right. Oh, okay, interesting. Interesting approach to unboxings. So 2 separate cables. And from what I remember, it was saying something about ready for the big screen, gaming, video calls and more. Connect instantly to any TV or display. We're ready for. Okay. Compatible USB-C and HDMI cable included. Nice. Okay. I feel that. I like this box. Hopefully we get whatever we need. We're gonna put this on the side, but this is the ready for cable. Right, interesting. Thank you. Thanks for including that. That might be a special feature that's in there. Cool. Let's get to midnight blue. Right. Ooh. Okay. Put that to the side for a moment. And let's see what we get. So we got some instructionals as per. Not really too fussed about them. Put that to the side for a minute. Got a phone there. And we do get a charger in the box, thank you. So it's a USB-C to C, and I believe this is 30 watts. Yes, this is 30 watts. And then we get the USB-C to C cable that comes with it as well. We've got the SIM ejector tool. And as you can see, nothing else, no earphones, but we do at least get a charger in the box. Well, what a rare thing to actually see. Put this to the side. Let's look at this ready to go cable. And then we're pretty much going to gonna look at the phone itself. My lack of nails don't help. But we got it in the end. Very interesting that they include this. And I'm assuming this will be how the retail model is, because usually Vodafone UK send retail copies of the device. I'm interested to try this. This is the first Motorola on the channel, and my first Motorola that I've used in a long time since the original Moto G. That was even before I started doing videos on YouTube. Right, that's a quality USB. So it's USB-C to HDMI, which is nice, no doubt. Cool, all right. Again, put this bad boy to the side. And the center of attention here. It's where they end the condom case. And it comes with a case, interesting. It's nice of them. This is it, wow, okay. The texture at the back is interesting. The texture at the back is very interesting. Flat display, big win. And you've got a triple camera setup, 108 megapixels for the main. And then you've got ×8 periscope zoom, 5 optical, which tells me that if it's 8 megapixels, it might not be enough to shoot 4K on it, let alone 4K UHD 60 frames a second. And then you've got the 16 megapixel ultra wide with the flash. And it's a flat display. This front camera is meant to be 32 megapixels. And in terms of the specs, it is meant to be using the Qualcomm Snapdragon 870G. So good performance there, no doubt. I believe it's a slightly overclocked and modified version of the 865 Plus, which is more than powerful enough. And then you've got full high definition plus 6.7 inches flat display that is 144 hertz. All the hertz, baby. That is the first 144 hertz display I have had the pleasure of having on the channel and using. Am I going to know the difference? Depends. It all depends. Cool, so here we are on the home screen. Feels fluid already, I can't lie. Hello, Moto. It's got the Motorola chime ringtone. All right, taking things back. Now, my acid test for most premium flagship phones is the haptic feedback, right? So I'm very tempted to see how the haptic feedback will be on this device. Okay. I'm gonna mute it for a minute. But the flat display does feel nice. Let's go to brightness level. Seems bright enough, but I guess outdoors is where it's gonna really be at. Display, okay, so here we are with the display. It says auto, and it says the AI will always show the optimum refresh rate. Let's just go to 144, maximum all the time. Why not? Dark mode, of course. And, right. Let's go to, sounds and vibration. Do 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 do. Okay. I'm already feeling the haptics and I'm not sure. Subtle. I'm not sure about the haptic feedback yet, but the typing experience already just based on first impressions is good. Flat display. Okay, this is it really. You know how I do these unboxings, just literally straight raw, not much in terms of it. I will have a first impressions, and as always, I'm gonna put it through its paces, right? Battery charging test, camera comparison, full review. Yeah, we're gonna test this. I'm gonna put my SIM in here, and we are going to rest assured test and drive this phone, no doubt. But yeah, this is interesting. Already. I'm not too sure about the back. The back is a bit, back feels weird. Very, very slippery. It's almost like a nano coated texture design. Let me bring it up so you can see it a bit more. But yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Decent first impression already. And I believe it does have a 4500 milliamp hour battery, 30 watt charging. And I don't know if it's got wireless charging. I doubt it very much. But all that will be covered in my first impressions. But yeah, this is the unboxing of the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. Definitely watch out for more coverage on it. Big thank you to Vodafone UK for supplying it. And that's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do, man. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell if you're part of Team TLS Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. Hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.